Baby, let's get married. I love Link so much it's scary. I put my niggas on them plays. I feel like I'm Tyler Perry. I cut my phone off when I talk. I think they listening through Siri. This shit ain't nothing. Check my closet. About 100 pairs of mirrors. In my backyard it be bows. 1800 for my coats. Doing 50 in my red. I'm so high. I think I'm
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Teach with the Bucks. We're back with another vlog. Mad early, as you can see. I'm mad tired. It's currently 1:08. I gotta get a haircut at 1:15, so we're running pretty late. Bear with me. I'm gonna wake up during this vlog. Get up out of here and let's go get a haircut. Alright, yo, YouTube, we back. Y'all see we got the fresh, so clean. Got the fresh, so clean cut, you feel me? Your boy Teach had to get sliced up. Let me know how y'all think about my cut down below, how my barber do. I ain't want to bring the cam inside because I ain't want my barber to mess me up. You feel me? I ain't want to make him nervous or nothing, but yeah, y'all see the cut. But yeah, just got the fresh new haircut, and yeah, it's currently 2:20, and I don't know what we got to do today. It's no motion. We got some motion tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned. We got a little meet tomorrow. We're gonna see what the meet talking about. We're gonna pull up. I think we're gonna bring Big Stunner. Should we bring Big Stunner? Should we bring Big Stunner to the meet? Let me know about it down below in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna see what we got for today. I'm gonna turn your eyes back on when we doing something.
The next day.
Alright, y'all, we made it to a little car meet. It's a little, we got some cars out here. We got the gang out here. We got leak shit. We right here, you feel me? This cars, these vibes everywhere, you feel me? Cool little vibe. We got the vet roaring over here, nigga. Chill little vibe. We just cooling meet, and I heard it's a little meet tonight. We might pop out to that. I don't know. But yeah, it's real vibey, bro. It's real vibey, but everybody just out here cooling, bro. We with the gang. You know what I mean?
The question for the day is, if you could live forever, would y'all, and why?
Hell with live forever? Wait.
That's not him. That one?
Alright, y'all, shot it. I ain't gonna lie, I think it is finna start raining, so I think we finna goddamn clear this bitch up. Everybody from the dip. Oh. Hello. Okay. Alright, we finna pull out the T-Fusion. It's raining mad hard. Let's go.
Something good. I ain't tripping about that daddy nigga. Been ran through by the hood. Been ran through by the game. Won't play me, I'm not a game. Hit her front of front, she say she like my chain, I let it hang.
Alright, y'all. We done pulled up to the next little low. We have T-Fusion. It's getting wicked out here, bro. Got all the cars out here.
You get the new lights, your shit gonna be hard, man.
New lights coming soon. I'll stay tuned, bro.
New lights.
Hey, you turn them up when you got down, you hit the gas. When we left.
We left?
Yeah.
Oh, that shit was loud.
Turn them up. You had burrows with you. Yeah, bro. We're out here, bro. Bro, it's W vibes. It's hella cars out here. Yeah. It's out here vibing. God damn, big shit. Push that.
You gotta think that bitch just been rumbling in there.
I'm fucking sweating down here. We in like a little parking. We in like a little parking garage.
We might. What type of Jeep that is, twin, you know?
That bitch swap.
He got a damn mask on. This bitch hard.
They gonna hit a burnout?
Woke it up, y'all. They don't woke us up.
Twin. Damn, you can't even see game.
We got another one.
You gonna hit that bit too though?
They gonna hit it for us?
Uh-oh. He just got that hoe too though. Yeah, bro. It's a good, wonderful day. They turning up, bro. I'm damn near losing my voice, bro. I should have brought my microphone, but hopefully y'all can hear me. You feel me? It's 7:57. It's also a little meet tonight. So y'all stay tuned. We might pull up to the meet tonight. But for right now, we lit.
Let's do it. Y'all think the purple scat gonna do something? Man, that's hard. He gonna fart right here.
Look at this, look at this.
Stay, man.
Hell no, I do it. Hell got it. They gonna run into that other
They
thing.
got something in there, though. Slide that bit. Just do one. Come on, man. You gotta supercharge.
Yo, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. He has to do it.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
What are you talking
He
about?
said he finna come do his shit. He said he has a supercharged something. He said his shit is supercharged. You have to come do it.
It's that yellow vet right there. It's that yellow vet.
Oh, he got
You finna
yo.
slide.
Y'all seen it?
That bitch finna.
He was right there. He's right
You
there.
got it, you
He said you gotta do it. Y'all stay tuned. He finna come in.
He finna
He finna come do it. Why? I watched. He was like, he turned. He was like, bro, he has a vet. You have to do it.
Be the last.
Uh-oh.
It's time to go. It's go time.
It's go time. Hey, he was like, should I do it? Hold on, I gotta turn him up.
Hey, Mark.
We got the supercharged Corvette finna hit a little burnout. He finna go crazy. I definitely had to turn him up. Y'all see that I had to turn him up. Alright, bro.
From the side, bro.
Let's see. That nigga do not like. No, I love it. Look.
That's why you got that.
Yellow Reaper.
You gotta do it, bro. You gotta do it.
Do it before the clock starts.
You gotta do it. Red eye, nigga. Come on. Red eye. Fuck 12 nigga on the guys.
Bye, have a great time.